Hey, hi guys, Arnav here from Coding Blocks, and today I'm going to be covering a video जिसके लिए कई लोग बोल रहे थे थोड़े टाइम से लाइक लास्ट 5-6 वीडियोस मैंने किए, सब पे कमेंट्स आ रहे थे कि भैया आप कह रहे हो कि प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज, मिड साइज फंडेड स्टार्टअप्स एंड ऑल, जहाँ पे जॉब्स लग सकती है विदाउट गोइंग थ्रू द यूजुअल फैंग और फार्मा काइंड ऑफ कंपनीज, जहाँ पे बहुत सारा DSL को करना पड़ता है, प्लेसेस वेयर आपकी गुड रेज्यूमे, प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड वीकेंड पे आपको एक प्रोजेक्ट करने को मिलेगा, उसके बेसिस पे आपकी इंटरव्यू होगी, इंटरव्यू में डेव स्किल्स पूछेंगे, दिस प्रोसेस जहाँ पे काम करते हैं ऐसे जॉब ऑफर्स, एंड दे पे रियली वेल। आई हैव बीन टेलिंग यू दिस वीडियोज़ में, आपको लग रहा होगा कि भैया बोल तो काफ़ी फेंक रहे हैं बड़ा बड़ा कि 15 लाख 20 लाख की पैकेज वाले जॉब्स एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, बट कौन से कंपनीज है ये। सो आई हैव अ लॉन्ग लिस्ट ऑफ कंपनीज टुडे दैट आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट। आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद सम ऑफ द बिगर कंपनीज जो कि they are not really you cannot call them startups anymore. They have like 5,000 6,000 size teams, tech teams itself, और काफ़ी बड़ी companies हो गई हैं. And then we will talk about some of the smaller startups, but they are all funded and they are all paying really good packages. So of course, where to start with, but Gojek has लाइक गोजेक इंडिया में एग्जिस्ट करता है सिर्फ एज अ टेक कंपनी है. गोजेक डज नॉट ऑपरेट इन इंडिया, एंड स्टिल गोजेक इज़ सो पॉपुलर इन इंडिया क्योंकि उन्होंने अपनी हायरिंग को मार्केटिंग करी है इतनी ज़्यादा कि हम लोग हायर कर रहे हैं और हम एक बहुत बढ़िया ऐप प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हैं जिसके ऊपर हम हायर कर रहे हैं. एंड गोजेक हैज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वर्क कल्चर्स एट अर्ली स्टेज ऑफ योर करियर दैट यू कैन एस्पायर टू गो टू. आपको बहुत ही हाई स्केल के प्रोडक्ट्स के ऊपर काम करने को मिलेगा. और स्केल के बारे में उन्होंने सबसे पहले एडवर्टाइज ही किया हुआ है कि 50 ऑर्डर्स एवरी सेकेंड प्रोसेस कर रहे होते हैं. ये 2 मिलियन ड्राइवर्स हैं, 20+ अलग अलग ऐप्स हैं जो मिलके एक ऐप बनी हुई है, सुपर ऐप, एंड दे हैव 600+ इंजीनियर्स. सो इट्स अ ग्रेट टीम टू वर्क. सो what are we looking for? We are looking for positions in the engineering department, which we'll go and see. You can look at like the what kind of advantages they are giving. So अनलिमिटेड सिक लीव्स हैं, ये लोग काउंट नहीं करते आपकी सिक लीव्स. ऑफिस की टाइमिंग्स नहीं है कुछ, जब भी आओ जब भी जाओ, ड्रेस कोड नहीं है, कैजुअल वर्क एनवायरनमेंट है. ठीक है. $100 विच मीन्स आई थिंक 7,000 रुपीज़ के आप किताबें खरीद सकते हो, और 2,000 आई थिंक 14,000 एनुअली आप जिम के खर्चे कर सकते हो. सो उसके बाद लोगों को घुमाने ले जाते हैं इंडोनेशिया में, बाली में घुमाने ले जाते हैं, और ताकि आप गोजेक का प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर सको. तो बहुत सही है. आप एम्प्लॉय स्टोरीज़ वगैरह पढ़ सकते हो, रिक्रूटमेंट कैसे करते हैं पढ़ सकते हो. इन्होंने रिक्रूटमेंट करने की इन्होंने एक ब्लॉग बना रखी है. तो इसकी अगर हम इंजीनियरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ देखें, एंड स्पेशली इफ़ यू लुक एट बेंगलोर जकार्ता, दोनों रीजन्स में ये लोग हैं. तो मोबाइल में देर इज़ iOS इंजीन, वी लुकिंग एट बैंगलोर, राइट. तो बैंगलोर में सो you got Android engineer they're hiring. This is a principal engineer role though. तो ये तो freshers के लिए नहीं होगा. If you look at product engineering, a lot of roles are there. If you just cut it down to Bangalore, तो हमें specifically Bangalore के दिख जाएंगे. But as you can see, lot of roles are there. There is backend engineering in payments. इनके अलग अलग apps हैं, तो हर एक apps के engineering roles available है. एंड इफ़ पर्टिकुलरली कोई जॉब यहाँ पे नहीं मिलता जिस पे आप अप्लाई कर सको, तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली अप्लाई डायरेक्टली ऑन देयर करियर्स email ID as well. And they hire a lot of people, and they take interns as well. If you're looking for internships, so they take interns as well. And it's a good company to work at. People who have joined Gojek straight out of college, I know a few people, they like working there. काम का थोड़ा प्रेशर ऑफ कोर्स रहता है बिकॉज इट्स अ फास्ट ग्रोइंग स्टार्टअप एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू डू. बट आपको काम एक अलग ही स्केल पे करने को मिलेगा. इतने मिलियंस ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट आ रहे होंगे, इतनी बड़ी प्रोडक्ट पे काम करने को जनरली कहीं और मिलेगा नहीं. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट गोज इज Gojek. एंड Gojek का हायरिंग प्रोसेस अगेन, दे विल गिव यू अ टेक होम प्रोजेक्ट, दे विल आस्क यू अबाउट योर डेव स्किल्स. पेयर प्रोग्रामिंग में आपको यूनिट टेस्ट लिखवाया जाएगा, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग के बारे में पूछा जाएगा. नॉट हैवीली DSL को फोकस्ड, इट्स वेरी डेव फोकस्ड हायरिंग दैट Gojek डज. मेरे को काफ़ी अच्छा लगा है उनका हायरिंग प्रोसेस. आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इन अ वीडियो. This is one of the companies which I tried. I did not qualify. First time I tried, and then second time I tried, I did qualify. I did not, of course, join, but I really liked their process. सेकेंड क्योर फिट सबको पता ही होगा, काफ़ी पॉपुलर हो गया इंडिया में. इट्स मेड बाय सम ऑफ द एक्स फाउंडर्स ऑफ फ्लिपकार्ट. Multiple rounds of funding. Very big company now. They have opened a lot of gyms. The gyms are not running right now because of COVID, but the app is very, very popular, and a lot of stuff they are doing. So we can, take a look at all of the employee benefits. Again, no leave policy. They allow you to take as many leaves as possible. Health and wellness के ऊपर खर्चा करते हैं ये लोग. Flexible working hours हैं, ठीक है. You can pick up your own projects. It's a good team. So what kind of openings are there? There is back-end engineer, front-end engineer, app developer, Android या iOS की experience होनी चाहिए. तो इनका ऐप आई थिंक रिएक्ट नेटिव में बना हुआ है, तो रिएक्ट जेएस और रिएक्ट नेटिव की आइडिया होना चाहिए. देन फुल स्टैक इंजीनियर की ओपनिंग्स भी है. सो you can try them. Again, very good company to work for. It's a pretty big company now as well, so you'll get very good exposure. Lots of people are on this. I think this app has crossed 10 million downloads in the app store. So 20-25 मिलियन यूज़र्स होंगे इसके एक्टिव जो लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं. अगेन इतनी बड़ी स्केल पे काम करने को मिलेगा आपको, बिग डील. Urban company, again, one of the big names in India, one of the older startups which has taken multiple rounds of funding. पहले Urban Clap नाम होता था इसका. So Urban company, again, I know friends who have worked here previously. I don't know anybody who is working here currently, but मैं बहुत लोगों को जानता हूँ जो recent past में काम कर चुके हैं यहाँ पे. If you're looking for referrals or something, I can help you out with that. And this place has got like a great tech team. ऐप या वेबसाइट आपने यूज़ किया है, देखा है, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि काफ़ी अच्छा है. दे हैव जस्ट 2 इंजीनियरिंग ओपनिंग्स दो. One of them is SD2 for backend, one of them is SD2 for data engineering. These are SD2 roles, तो कोई 1-2 साल experienced अगर हो चुका है तो for them it would be more beneficial. 2 to 5 years experience उन्होंने लिखा है, but अगर आपका 1 साल भी experience हुआ है तो you can start applying for SD2 roles, no issues. So these are there. नॉट डायरेक्टली फॉर आई थिंक फ्रेशर्स के लिए कुछ अभी ओपनिंग्स नहीं दिख रहा है, बट आई थिंक डायरेक्टली इनकी हायरिंग वाली email पे you can apply or look for recruiters from Urban Company on LinkedIn and get in touch with them. ठीक है. So number 3 is Urban Clap on the list. Okay, so number 4 on the list is Dream 11. Very popular IPL की title sponsor है अभी. They have raised funds previously. They now make a lot of revenue. They I think per day 50 करोड़ के fantasy league जो इनका चल रहा होता है उसमें 50 करोड़ के winnings हो रहे होते हैं daily. It's a big deal now. It's a very big company and they have a lot of career openings right now. So if you look for culture के बारे में देखते हैं, so what all benefits they are giving. इंस्टेंट रिलोकेशन ये तो चाहिए ही नहीं होगा. लिव क्लोज टू ड्रीम 11, ये सब ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आई थिंक कोविड के टाइम में डज नॉट रियली मैटर. स्टेडियम के पासेस मिलते हैं, क्या बात है. इन हाउस फिजियो है, स्पोर्ट्स सेशंस होते हैं, फिटनेस चैलेंज होता है. तो साल में 1 हफ्ता आपको ज़बरदस्ती छुट्टी बिठाते हैं ये लोग ताकि आप अनप्लग करो. ठीक है. अगेन फ्लेक्सिबल टाइमिंग्स है. यू गेट मनी फॉर बुक्स एंड ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज. बहुत ही सही चीज़ें हैं. तो इसमें देखते हैं करियर्स व्हाट ऑल दे हैव. सो टीम, लेट्स गो फॉर टेक्नोलॉजी टीम एंड अगेन बहुत सारे रोल्स हैं. ठीक है. SD1 बैक एंड, SD1 एंड्रॉयड, SD1 फ्रंट एंड, SD1 iOS 1 2 3 तीनों ही लेवल पे हायर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. सिक्योरिटी इंजीनियर है, SRE भी है, बिग डेटा के ऊपर है, NoSQL SQL एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के ऊपर है. तो रफली सब कुछ कवर हो रहा है. एंड्रॉयड, iOS, फ्रंट एंड, बैक एंड, डेवऑप्स, डेटाबेस. ठीक है. तो जो भी आपकी स्किल्स है, ड्रीम 11 हैज़ एन ओपनिंग फॉर यू बिकॉज इनकी ग्रोथ फिनोमिनल है. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट यूज्ड ऐप्स, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट यूज्ड वेबसाइट्स राइट नाउ. तो ऑब्वियसली इस स्केल पे ये लोग बढ़ रहे हैं तो इनको इंजीनियर्स की तो ज़रूरत पड़ ही रही होगी अभी. So definitely one of the places that you can definitely apply for. और खेल कूद की कंपनी है तो मस्ती तो रहेगी आपकी जॉब के टाइम पे. I've looked at some of the reviews on Glassdoor and people are really happy, everybody who is working there. So number 4 is Dream 11. let's move to number 5. Number 5 again, not a startup anymore, a very established company now, Razorpay. I know 2 3 friends who are in Razorpay for the last 4 5 years. I have not heard of people who have left Razorpay. मैं सुनता हूँ Razorpay लोग ज्वाइन करते हैं, मैंने कभी नहीं सुना लोग Razorpay छोड़ते हैं. Must be because it's a great company, because लोगों को अच्छा लगता होगा. Again, they also have great benefits. They are giving medical insurance, e-books, flexible working hours. Again, गुड बेनिफिट्स. यहाँ वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस ही मैंने सुना है बहुत अच्छा होता है. आपको काम के साथ साथ और भी चीज़ें, पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट्स आपको करने हैं, वो करने को मिलता है. और बहुत अच्छे अच्छे इंजीनियर्स हैं जिन्हें मैं जानता हूँ जो कि Razorpay पे काम करते हैं. सो अगेन देर इज़ front end engineering, there is database engineering. So a couple of roles are there for for freshers. Senior database engineer, senior front end engineer, senior SD, general for backend, senior SD for test. So if you are 1 or 2 years experience, तब तो आपके पास काफ़ी roles हैं देखने के लिए at Razorpay. Razorpay is one of those companies जो कि very purely tech focused, ना इसमें operations involved है ना कुछ. तो tech ही इनका product है और ये अपने product को बहुत ही प्यार से काम करते हैं उसके ऊपर. And they are one of those people who focus a lot on good quality engineering, good quality product. I really love the work that I see at Razorpay. One of the highest rated places to work for on LinkedIn surveys, on Outlook India surveys, on Glassdoor surveys. सारे employees बहुत खुश हैं यहाँ पे, तो it's a great place to work for. So you can look for Razorpay. Again, hiring process isn't very DSLGO focused. It's focused on dev, it's focused on experience, it's focused on your approach. So go for that. Okay. Next, कंपनी नंबर 6 इज़ क्रेड. क्रेड पता होगा, जो लोग क्रेडिट कार्ड यूज़ करते हैं उनको पता होगा. अदरवाइज़ भी लोगों को पता होगा क्योंकि क्रेड ने हाइप बहुत मचाई है कि क्रेड में आपको घुसने को मिला कि नहीं मिला. घुसने को मिला तो आपको कुछ काफ़ी सारे रिवॉर्ड्स मिलते हैं. कंपनी फाउंडेड बाय कुणाल शाह, हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ FreeCharge. And Cred has raised 2 3 rounds of big amount of funding. Very popular app, lot of people use it. और ऐप दिखने में मेरे को बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है. सो इफ़ यू आर इफ़ यू रियली लव वर्किंग ऑन प्रोडक्ट्स विद ग्रेट डिज़ाइन, दिस इज़ डेफिनेटली अ प्लेस यू विल लाइक. हियर some benefits and all they have written why you should join Cred. Okay, so है कुछ चीज़ें. दे हैव फूड एंड ऑल वाले पॉइंट्स आजकल मैटर नहीं करते. कोविड के टाइम आपको घर से काम करना पड़ेगा, बट दे हैव हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट स्टफ. एंड यू कैन हियर फ्रॉम स्टोरीज ऑफ पीपल हु हैव वर्कड एट क्रेड, उनकी स्टोरीज. Look at opportunities if there are any tech jobs or not. So there are, I think, engineering and product. Let's see. So there are product manager, front-end developer, iOS developer, machine learning engineer. So you have got these offers. You can go and apply for them. ये लोग SD 1 2 3 इस तरह से मानते नहीं हैं. ये लोग फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर के रोल के लिए हायर करते हैं. इफ़ आपकी स्किल्स अच्छे हैं, यू गेट अ बेटर पैकेज. इफ़ नहीं है तो इनके एंड्रॉयड डेवलपमेंट जॉब के लिए आई हैड टॉक्ड to them. I did not go through the entire process, but they said कि we will do the interview and depending on your quality we will pay you between 16 to 60 lakhs per annum. 60 upper bound, 16 lower bound. They said based on your performance we can pay anywhere in that range. So they are paying a lot of money. Great place to work at again. So company number 6, Cred. Next, something that all of you guys use, Truecaller. Truecaller exists as a tech office. They exist in India now. They've been hiring in India for a while now. We can take a look at some open positions for Truecaller and see what they're hiring. So Bangalore में there is backend engineering for ads. SRE role है. बैकएंड इंजीनियर, जावा एंड वेब डेवलपमेंट इंटर्न का रोल अवेलेबल है. सो स्पेशली इंटर्न का रोल अलग से अवेलेबल है. दिस इज़ वेरी रेयरली वी सी. मोस्टली कंपनीज इंटर्नशिप्स को एडवर्टाइज नहीं करते. कोई अप्लाई कर दे तो अलग बात है, बट दे हैव दैट. सो इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर इंटर्नशिप यू कैन अप्लाई हियर. अगेन गुड प्लेस टू वर्क एट, पॉपुलर कंपनी. इफ़ यू टेल एनीबडी कि मैं Truecaller में काम करता हूँ, पीपल विल इंस्टेंटली नो आप किस कंपनी में काम करते हो, बिकॉज एवरीबडी नोज व्हाट Truecaller इज, राइट. ओके, That's company number 7. Let's move to company number 8. Company number 8 is Acco. Acco, it's a insurance company. न्यू जनरेशन लोगों के लिए इंश्योरेंस है. ऐप पे बैठ के सारी चीज़ें टिक लगा के इंश्योरेंस मिल जाती है. Very easy to use car and home insurance plans on Acco. So they are hiring for, again, a lot of roles, I guess. So there you go. We have got SD2 role. We have got iOS developer role. There is data scientist level 1 entry level data scientist role है. ठीक है. Associate product manager, if you're interested in product management, तो entry level product manager का role भी exist करता है. तो few roles are there. They're all Bangalore based, but all remote joining today, so you can go and apply for them. Okay, so number 9 on the list, and this is something that I don't know if a lot of you guys know about. So this is a company called, Geeky Ants, and Geeky Ants is something maybe not a lot of you guys know about, but it's a great place. So it's like an app studio. They make apps for other people, and if you look at their homepage, you will see what kind of projects they have worked on. One of the biggest things is that they have worked on their own open source projects like Vue Native and Native Base. So Vue Native is a way to use Vue.js in a React Native project, and similarly, I think Native Base is some database they have worked on. So these are like seriously good people. They not only just make apps for other people, while doing that, they have actually produced some open source libraries which have become world famous actually. So it's a great place, and they have built apps for some big companies. Again, they have a lot of openings. They have 2 Flutter developer openings, fresher openings they have 20, and internships again 20 openings they have. So definitely you guys can look at applying. I know people who work there. I know a few people who were in the original team that started it, and it's a great place to work at. If you look at their work culture and how the employees are treated, the freedom that they have to work on different things, it's one of the best places to work at. Everybody who works at Geeky Ants, everybody really loves working there, and it does not look like a very big name. Like if you tell a layman who is not in the tech field, they would not know about this name, but that's not a big deal. They pay really good, and the work is really good. So that was number 9. Let's talk about number 10. So number 10 is Shadowfax. Shadowfax is a pretty big company, and if you have gotten deliveries from some of these not so big companies, like for example Zomato or Swiggy, they use their own delivery. Zomato and Swiggy use their own delivery people, and even Amazon does that. But some companies which are a little smaller, for example, CureFit, so they use an external delivery mechanism. So they get their things, the food delivered via Shadowfax. Now, Shadowfax is actually a delivery company, and they deliver on behalf of other companies, companies which don't have their own delivery fleet, and they have grown to be pretty big. Shadowfax handles deliveries for most of these companies, apart from, like, if you leave the top 4-5 companies like Flipkart, Amazon, Zomato, Swiggy, they have their own logistics. Everybody else almost uses either Shadowfax or there is another company called Delivery, and Shadowfax has grown to be really big, and they work really well. And again, some employee benefits and all written here. They have got performance bonus, 5-day working. You can switch teams internally, and you can work from home. Well, everybody can work from home these days because of COVID. And there are some photos of the workplace. As you can see, pretty good workplace. You will get to work there once the pandemic has ended. It's a nice little office to go and work at. And what openings there are? So if you look at the technology department, so again, there's an Android developer and there's a product manager opening level jobs. There are a little SD2 level jobs are also there for people who are 1 or 2 years experienced. You can try that, right? So again, great place. Okay, moving on. Number 11, OK Credit. OK Credit is a name as a consumer you might not have heard of, because they target smaller shops in smaller towns. So there's a new breed of companies that are opening these days. You will find a lot of these OK Credit, Khata Book, Pagar Book, etc., which are coming up. They target smaller shopkeepers and smaller companies in not even companies. They really target small business owners in towns and villages rather than in the biggest cities. So they are like trying to build for what people say, building for Bharat rather than building for India. And they are growing a lot because with Jio and all, mobile internet reaching these far off places in India, and their people now want to use technology to manage things. So OK Credit is basically managing small micro credit and finance. So OK Credit has got, again, like I think we've got, so again, great team photos, as you can see, great work culture. I know a few people who have recently joined OK Credit because they have been hiring, and again, they say that it's a very smart team. There are ex Google, ex Facebook people in the leadership to work with, and they are building some, of course, really great stuff, really scalable, reaching thousands, millions of people. So we've got technology openings out here. We have an Android engineer, front-end engineer, a little senior. So for a little experienced people, there's an Android engineer, that's not a senior job, right? And QA engineer. So again, great place to apply for. If you're an Android developer, definitely go and try that out. Okay. Next, what we have, so this number 11 is Setu. Setu is a finance app, fintech app, and they recently took funding, like very, very recently, I think 3-4 months back, and they are hiring. And I know people working at Setu as well. So all of the companies I am talking about here, I personally know people via my network on LinkedIn, Twitter, somewhere, and I know that people like working there, and the culture is great. They are learning new things. They're working on great scale. Setu is of course not working on great scale right now. It's just starting off, but it will really grow, of course, because they have gotten funded. They are growing really, really fast, and they have open roles. They have what's interesting is they have an open role. Open role means that whatever technology or anything that you like, just apply, and if they feel that you will fit, they will definitely call you. So they are not specifically hiring for Android, iOS, backend, frontend, or something like that, but they have an open role for you to go and apply to. And finally, one company I would love to talk about is FamPay. So FamPay is a Neo Credit company. So Neo Finance, Neo Credit, Neo Bank, they call. So it's basically modern era banks meant for teenagers and our generation, not even our generation, maybe your generation who's watching the video. I have accounts in traditional SBI kind of banks. So it's for people who are just starting with finance now, and they would prefer to have like an app instead of like a physical bank account. So these are different kind of bank accounts, very digital first bank accounts. Not a lot of paperwork to do to open the bank account, etc. It's a number based bank. So great. So this is FamPay, and FamPay is something that again very recently took up funding, growing very fast, right? And there has been a great response. A lot of people are creating accounts on FamPay. So there's join the fam, you click on that, and there are jobs at FamPay. That's backend engineering, front-end engineering, DevOps, data analyst. Again, a lot of jobs here. Okay, so that was a good list, right? 12 companies. And if I find any other company, if I think of any other, I will definitely mention some of the more wider hiring companies like Paytm, Zomato, Swiggy, Flipkart. I've not mentioned here because right now they are not hiring for any fresh roles as of today. I have some people I know in these companies, and I have talked to them, and they are mostly hiring little experienced people right now. So 2 years, 3 years experienced. So if you have 1 or 2 years experienced, whoever is watching this video, if you want to, you can go for there's Paytm, there's Flipkart, there's Zomato, there is Swiggy, the traditionally funded and proven startups in India. So they are not really hiring freshers right now, so I did not include them in the list. But you have like 12 companies, great to work at, great technologies they're working with, and most of them working at very big scale or about to work at a very big scale. So check these out, definitely apply for them. All of these these are places where your dev skills are going to be very important, and a good resume is going to be important, your projects are going to be important, and your interviews are going to be, take home assignment, where you have to create a project in a weekend or maybe 4 or 5 days, and then your interview would be a lot about system design and development, and less about DS Algo. It's not, I wouldn't say any of these companies will not ask DS Algo, but they will not have 3-4 rounds about competitive programming, not like that. Okay, so hope that helps for people who are trying to apply for these companies. Let me know about your experience if you go and apply to these companies, how it works out. Okay, so that will be it. Thank you so much. Meet you soon with some other video, right?